Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you an app called Travelear, where you can find different 3D soundscapes, and you can listen to them with your headphones. I recommend you using headphones for this video, and whenever you use the app, because they're 3D soundscapes. There's tons of different ones, and I will show you the different ones there are. And now there is a premium feature where you can pay for either a month or year subscription, monthly or yearly subscriptions, to access offline listening, so you can listen to the sounds offline, and you can remove ads with the premium feature. Offline listening, remove ads, and there will be the first sound, which I will actually show you because I'm subscribed because I got a free code, is a locked soundscape that you cannot listen to without the subscription. So I'm going to show you to the app Travelear. Oh, and before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already, and share this with your friends. That would be nice. Also, I have a little surprise towards the end that you guys might like. So continue watching this to find out what it is. Double tap on Travelear.
Travelear.
And I will show you this screen.
My profile button.
Your profile is, you can log in if you have an account with Travelear. If you don't, you can still access this, I believe.
Upgrade now for premium features button.
And that is where you upgrade. It's called their shop, where you can upgrade.
Podcast 202 subscriptions by Garrett Marticello.
This podcast talks about their subscriptions.
More context button.
More context gives you more information about the soundscape.
Garden showers by Garrett Marticello.
Garden showers. This is the one that's locked, which I will show you a little clip of.
Garden showers by Garrett Marticello.
It's nice. It's a rainy day too, so. I'll turn this up just a little. And I will show you some of the ones I like. I'm going to be scrolling through the different soundscapes, and I will show you ones I like.
More Travel Town Railroad by Garrett Marticello. More Rainstorm by Garrett Marticello. More Context Southern Railroad by Garrett Marticello. More Hilton Head Thunder by Garrett Marticello.
This is a good one.
Hilton Head Thunder by Garrett Marticello.
And I will make another video on, there's another feature you can do where you can add sounds to your trip. You can create your trip, so it basically puts multiple sounds together, and it plays them one after the other. I'm not sure how I'll show that because I'd have to play the whole sound to demonstrate it, but let's see what the next one is.
More Frog Party by Garrett Marticello. Windy Pines by Garrett Marticello. Drizzling Rain by Garrett. Windy Night at the Docks by Trains of Cajon Pass by Garrett. Snow Walk by Garrett. Central Park Bike Path by Garrett Marticello.
Cool.
Central Park Bike Path by Garrett Marticello.
People bike past you. Hey, watch out. I'm right here. Don't run me over.
More LAX Plainland. Podcast 200. Lear Express to Penn Station. Podcast 201. We're back by Garrett Marticello. Lear Express to Penn Station by Garrett Marticello. Africa by Toto by Abbey Road Acapella by Garrett Marticello. Carol of the Bells by Abbey Road Acapella by Garrett Marticello. Chinatown. Flushing by Garrett Marticello.
Cool. Chinatown.
Chinatown. Flushing by Garrett Marticello.
And again, you want headphones to watch this.
Jacksonville Skyway Harbor Motorboat Ride. Car Heavy Rain by Garrett. Lost in the Forest by Midnight in the Harbor by Garrett. Outdoor Desert Fire. Umbrella Rain by Garrett. Central Park Carriage. Birds in the Forest. Seawall by Garrett. Barton Springs. Santa Monica Air. Sky Foster Caves. Common Car Ride. Winter Forest. Central Park. Little Beach by Garrett Marticello.
This one's one I like.
Little Beach by Garrett Marticello.
It sounds like the water is all around you. It's crazy. Again, if you're listening to this in headphones, it sounds like it's all around you. And there's one that sounds like it's a band playing.
More Hare Krishna Dance Party by Garrett Marticello.
That was really cool. I'll show you that one.
Hare Krishna Dance Party by Garrett Marticello.
You can hear the band start up in a second.
Time score by Garrett Marticello.
Nice music. See, I'm at a concert. It's like you're at a concert and you're stuck at home.
More Boston Fireworks by Garrett. Venice Beach Skate Park by Garrett
Or if you
Marticello.
like people to skate around you, you can listen
Venice
to this
Beach
one. It
Skate
sounds
Park
like
by
people are
Garrett
actually
Marticello.
skating around you. Sometimes it actually sounds like people are going through you. Oh, it sounds like it just went through me.
Oh, come on! If the board strikes, I hit him!
More St. Mark's Square Arc. More Babbling Brook by Garrett. Night Chimes by Garrett Marticello. More Forest Story by Garrett Marticello. More London Tube Ride by Garrett Marticello. More Grand Central Station by Garrett Marticello.
Now let's time travel to Grand Central Station.
Grand Central Station by Garrett Marticello.
And you can hear the people all around you. You hear an announcement up to your left.
Your attention, please. All unintended parcels must be attended at all times. Any items left unattended will be removed by and subject to certified the MTA police. Thank you for your cooperation.
Welcome.
More Bees by Garrett Marticello.
This one makes you cringe. It makes me always swap.
Bees by Garrett Marticello.
Because look, these sounds like they're all around you. Oh gosh. Ah. I'm getting out here.
More Columbia Road Flower. Cable Car Ride by New York City Subway Ride by Garrett Marticello. More Central Park Carousel by Forest Beehive by Garrett Marticello. More French Quarter Jazz Festival by Garrett. More Thunder Porch by Garrett Marticello.
I like this one.
Thunder Porch by Garrett Marticello.
This is a great one. The thunder's loud.
More Cavello Thunderstorm by Garrett Marticello. More Porch Rain by Garrett Marticello.
Porch rain.
Porch Rain by Garrett Marticello.
In this one, you can hear chimes up to your left. And you can hear the rain all around you. And every now and then you hear cars pass by. And this is the last sign I'm going to show you for this app. Also at the bottom, there's a favorites tab where you can find all your favorited sounds, and you can do that by going to the more actions.
More context.
Or more context, sorry, click that.
Minimize. Porch Rain. Share Porch Rain.
You can share it,
Add to my trip.
add to your
Button.
trip, which again is where you add multiple sounds and it plays one after another.
Add to favorites.
And add to
Button.
favorites. You click that.
Porch Rain was recorded by Long Island, NYUSA on December 23rd, 2015.
It also tells you who recorded it most times and where it was recorded. So I'm going to go to the minimize button.
Minimize. Button.
Double tap that.
Travelear.
And then the next, and someone's, who's that? No,
Favorites.
someone's
Tap.
door.
4 foot search. Tap.
There's this-
3 of 4.
A search button. Let me talk louder because there's a car. There's a search button where you can search for different sounds.
My trip.
And there's your
Tap.
trip,
3 of 4.
where you can see your different trips. Where, I mean, you can see your trip, what sounds you have in it. And that'll be about all for this video. And now, I was going to tell you about your surprise. There's going to be a drawing. And I have a free 1-year code, iTunes code for Travelear, for people with Apple devices. This is a free 12-year code. It expires May 7th, and I have one of them, so I'm going to be giving it out to one person. And if you would like to be part of that group of people who I'm going to put a group of people on the list and draw one of the names out. and whoever I pick out, I will tell them, and I will just press, and I will send them the code and instructions on how to do it, along with, or they can just watch my previous video on how to do it. And basically, once that's redeemed, you get a free year of premium, just what I have. So the premium upgrade I told you about earlier. The premium with no ads.
Selected. Browse. Tab. 1 of 4.
The premium with no ads, with offline listening, and with even where you can listen to the locked sounds that are locked. And I will be giving it out tomorrow, which, if you're listening to this tonight, is Sunday, April 11th, I believe. Easter. There you go. I'm giving away Easter Sunday at 8 o'clock. I'm going to draw the names, so if you would like to be in that list of names, then email me. I will put my email in the description of this video, and you can email me, and I will add you to the list of names. And if you win, I will email you back with the code and instructions on how to do it if you don't know how. And my next video I will announce who won so everyone else can know. And that'll be it. Thanks for listening, and again, email me if you would like to be part of this drawing, and I will put my email in the description. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. And thanks for watching. Bye!